Peti Mobobi, Tufala I storian about coronavirus. Peti Mobobi emi Tufala friend. Peti hemi wan health worker we live close up lo Bobi. Mo Tufala I singate halo every day. Tete, Bobi hemi wari tumas. Fra hemi staharem sam storian blo wan music istakam. Nem blehem coronavirus. Bobi hemi harem al tok lo news, lo radio, Facebook, mo al friend mo family lo community blehem. Bobi I go look friend blehem we walk lo hospital. Mo I save good all different kind sick. Bobi I talem lo betise. Al tok lo coronavirus is ta meke hemi fried. Peti hemi wante talem out straight information ble helpem Bobi ble ino fried long al tok we stop koran. Peti I talem se. Coronavirus hemi one kind sick we come out lo big fla family blo all virus. Also lo one cold mo flu. COVID-19 emi sot nem blehem. Peti I talem se. COVID-19 emi kozem all symptom all sem throat iso, head mo body iso, nus iron, cough mo fever. Sometimes you save lusum all taste mo smell blue, mo you tight to mas. Samba oli save drought mo sisit water too. COVID-19 emi spread through long all small droplet we come out lo mouth blue time you cough or sneeze. Peti I talem lo Bobi se. You no need blo fright. From me at full up something when you miss have again blo protecte you me everyone lo sikia. Peti I talem se. Everyone I must wear a mask blo cover up nose mo mouth blehem blo block spread blo sick. You no must wear a mask blue. You one mo you save usum. Hemi one way blo you miss have protecte everyone we hemi gato anara sick finish. Mo ogeta we oli all fala. Peti I talem tu se time you look one naraman, you no must stand up close up to mas lehem, blo protecte you mo hem. Time you wear a mask blue, mo you stand up long way long all nara falaman, you turn him spread plus sick. Peti I talem tu se everyone I must wash it with hand blehem with them soap mo water. Hema by take him out virus we stop long all hand blue. Bobi hemi happy to mas. Fra hemi film se naya hemi save good or something where hemi save mekem blo protecte you me everyone. Bobi I tale one big flat thank you lo Peti from se hemi help him full up. Monaya hemi no need blo fright. For you me I ready blo face COVID-19 together. Thank you to mas Peti mo all nara health worker around lo Vanuatu. God by bless you me everyone.